This one's about fractions, but adding and subtracting, because there's loads within fractions that can just cause confusion. So to start with, if you've got a half plus 2/3, okay, what you need to do is you need to be able to get these numbers to be the same, because you need them as the same digits. So to do that, I'm going to times that by 3. There's loads of different ways of doing this, but I'm going to do 2 times 3. So I'm going to multiply these. They call these the denominator. So 2 times 3 is 6. So there we are. Now I'm also then going to do the butterfly. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm now going to add those up. I don't add the bottoms up, that remains 6's. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 over 6. Okay, now that's an improper fraction. So what you can then do is you can then make that one whole, because you can take 6 away from that, and have 1/6 left over. Let me give you another example. So imagine that you've got 3/4 plus 2/5. Okay, so at this point I'm going to times those. 4 times 5 is 20. Then I'm going to butterfly. So 15 plus 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, again, can I get any 20s out of that? I can get it out once. So that is the same as 2 and 3 over 20. So that's how to do addition. Subtraction is exactly the same method. So what you do is you would have, let's do a half minus a third again. So again, I'm going to be timesing those at the bottom to get me 6's, and then I'm going to butterfly it. So 3/6 minus 2/6, well, that's 1/6, and that is the way it works. Let me do one more example for you. Let's do 4/5 minus 2/8. So we've got, that is 40, and then we're going to butterfly it. 20 minus 10 is 30, so it's 30 over 40, and then I'm going to look for the lowest denominator, so I can divide each of these by 10, or I could divide it by 2, which would give me that, and then I could look at how else could I do it. I could put it into 5s, so that would be 15 divided by 5 would be 3. 3 over 15 divided by that, 3 over 4. And that's the way it would work. So always try and find the lowest figure amount that you can, but that's the way to do that in simple maths.